my thermal printer. For drawing or writing. This is just paper, and I believe this is probably the label, so I can make it sticky and stick it somewhere else. And my portable mini printer. So opening up, got a charging cable. Ooh, look how cute it is. Instructions in English, so that's pretty easy. So charge it up, download the app to make a fun print, make sure Bluetooth is on. And it's easy to put in paper. Press the button on the side, fill it up, close it. So there's a button here. Oh, they already put the paper in for me. That's perfect. I think this one is just normal paper. Yep, this one's just normal paper, so it's not the label. So what I want to do is I want to charge it from here. And then download the app using that QR code here. Okay, so place it, show options, open the link, and install. Download, and it's starting to download. So you can go into your apps and allow my files, and then it will start installing. So open up the app and you can do text scan, new slip, banner, documents, website text, to-do list, sticky notes, or just print out some pictures. To do this is pretty cool. Like, look, pick a template and then write down a bunch of things you want to do. See? You can input the text you want. For example, make video. That should say video. There we go, make video. And then another list. Huh, it's a bit weird. Okay, well, it's workable. You might just have to press it twice, I guess. There's also other things you can do. So right now I have paper, so there's no point in me making a label. You can print a picture. I'm gonna take a picture. Oh, this is just my pillow. You can erase parts. Bigger. Seems to be a lot of things that you can do. Add in a text, I think. So you can play around. It's a bit slow. And then if you want to press print, you want to connect it to your printer. So to connect, allow, you need to turn on your Bluetooth. Turn on your printer. There we go. Now we can connect it. So once your printer's on, you can connect it here. Connected. And with this printer, you can only print black and white. So I chose this picture. I can change characters. I don't like that. I can have it this way around or this way around. How shallow I want it. Or I can customize it. How many copies? Oh, I do not want 10 of them. Now once you're ready, you press print and then it should start printing. Look at that print. No ink needed, just thermal. Obviously it has a bit more detail, so it doesn't come out as nice, I think. I think it's easier if you print off something more simple, like an outline, and then you just rip it off. Okay, so we're trying something more simple. Let's see how this comes out. Then when it comes upside down. See, look, it looks so much prettier. Piece is more simple. This product is great, and I'll be using this for my studies. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.